Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into a technical topic: how to extract SMS messages from a phone remotely using ADB. ADB, or Android Debug Bridge, is a versatile tool that allows you to communicate with your Android device from your computer. While this technique can be useful for troubleshooting or data recovery purposes, it's crucial to understand that accessing someone else's SMS without their consent is illegal. This video is for educational purposes only. Before we start, make sure you have the following: an Android device with USB debugging enabled, a computer with ADB installed and configured. Connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable. Open a command prompt or terminal window on your computer. Now, let's get to the main part. We'll use the content query command to access the SMS database. Type the following command and press enter. This command will list all SMS messages stored on your device. The output will include information like the message body, sender number, date, and time. Be aware that the SMS database structure might vary between Android versions. Always handle personal data responsibly and ethically. In this video, we've learned how to extract SMS messages from an Android device using ADB. Remember, this knowledge should be used responsibly and legally. It's essential to respect privacy and avoid unauthorized access to personal information. Disclaimer again, we strongly discourage any unauthorized access to personal data. By following this tutorial, you agree to use this knowledge responsibly and legally. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.